What up, YouTube? It's your boy KT, and I'm back with a video, man. I think we on our 5th video for today, probably. Let me see. Damn, flying here. 1, 2, 3. Damn, we're on our 4th video. Damn, we gotta do 2 more videos, bro. We boy Han. Let's get to the video.
He's about to witness the first occurrence of a string of events that will lead to the scariest night of his career.
Jesus Christ, what the hell was that? A white four-door on Monday just went by us at an extremely high rate of speed.
About an hour and a half later, officers find the suspect parked in a driveway and surround him.
Let me see your hand. Don't move.
Whose hand?
Come out of the car.
Whose hand?
Come out of the car.
Come
Come out of the car.
Hold on.
No, stay right there.
Right there. Don't fucking move.
Stay right there.
Don't move. I'm not going anywhere.
Remind y'all, the scariest night of his life. That's crazy.
We're out.
Get out of the car. Get my mouth.
Mark! Mark, you will be shot if you put that vehicle in park and drive. Mark, don't do it, Mark!
I'll get my mouth.
Mark, don't do it!
I'll get my mouth.
Don't do it! You're gonna hit my car!
I'll get my mouth.
You're gonna hit my car! Stop! Mark, don't do it! Get out of the car!
Out with the car. I'll get my mouth.
Watch out, watch out. Watch out. Watch out! Holy Mark! Oh,
This nigga can't drive. Come on, Mark.
we need units.
What the fuck? This nigga know this nigga just drove back into the car. He's killing himself.
Watch out, Frankie! Watch out! Get out of the way! Watch out, watch out! Watch out! Frankie! Zach, watch out! Get off the street, get out of the way!
Damn! This nigga ramming into the car, bro.
Watch out! Watch out! Oh, units are okay right now. We need more.
Is bro trying to take himself out, bro?
All units, stay off the road. Stay off the road. Everyone off the road. Stay in the house. Watch out. Block him in. Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
Fire. Watch it.
Watch the crossfire. Back this way. Back this way. Justin, back this way. Put that vehicle drive, you will be shot. Get out with your hands up. Mark, get out of the car. Get out of the car now. Watch her. Rose, watch her.
Confirm you're drunk out.
Alana, cuff her.
Alana, cuff her.
Alana,
Keep her
cuff her.
Oh, I see him.
other side.
Watch the crossfire.
The other
Watch your
side of the
crossfire. Watch your crossfire now.
Yeah, check the dog too.
This officer is referring to his K9 unit that was inside one of the squad cars the suspect rammed at full speed.
Damn.
I got covered, guys. All right. I got you.
They ain't kicking the shit out of their car.
Get in the car!
Mark, get out of the car now!
Got him slumped over. Is he slumped over? Back. Stay back. Someone, watch out. Watch out. See if I can. Use the other side of it, Justin. It's heavier.
Outside.
Watch crossfire, Sarge.
You ain't do nothing better.
Here, I got a window plug.
Not working.
There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go, Justin!
Alright, Justin.
The last thing heard before the audio cuts for a couple seconds is an officer that says he's bouncing up, indicating the suspect may be having a seizure.
Open that door. Keep the door open. I got here, come on. I got it. Alright, watch. Everyone be careful. Grab the key and turn it off. Mark! Get the door locked? Guns away, guns away, guns away. Recovery position, get in the recovery position. Recovery position.
Officers realize they still need to check the squad that was rammed with a K9 unit inside.
You better run for that dog the same way y'all run for somebody else, boy. Dang.
Hold on, buddy. I need some light right here.
Get little bro out.
Hold on, let me go on this side. What's that? He hit my car like 3 times. I gotta check the dog. Come here, come here, come here. Hey, it's okay. Motherfucker. You alright? Yeah, I think so. You okay? On his side. You alright? I'm good. He was trying to run over me and Frank.
Yeah, he having a season.
And he backed up to like about this telephone pole and just gunned it full speed right into it. Like I don't know if he thought I was in there or something. He was just smoking the car, and then you back up, boom, do the next thing, and he was wild. Everybody was like running to try to get out of the way. Then he just gunned it down that way and just smoked the car head on, and then like we were giving him commands and nothing.
Thank God you were out of the car, right?
Oh, dude, I ran right up alongside his house, just hoping he didn't see me because he would like come at me and was forced me to kill him because I had nowhere to go.
So he like just got out of the car when you guys came up on him?
Yeah, so as soon as I pulled in behind him, Ruth was getting out, and then he like locked the door. So that we were like right here on the side of the car, and we were just like, get out of the car, you're under arrest, get out of the car. And then all of a sudden, like I hear the car start, or I don't know if it started, or I saw the reverse lights come on, and then I freaking tried to smash the window to get him out, and then he just backed it up. I remember him hitting my car, and then he went through it, and then went like this way, and then he put it in drive, and then he just boom, backed up again, boom. And I'm just just so thankful that nobody was hit.
This suspect, Mark Ferraiolo, a 23-year-old male, and his wife, Ruth Patton, a 42-year-old.
His wife? 42? That's his wife? Bro. Fuck, bro. That can't be this man's wife, bro. Look. I'm gonna keep my thoughts to myself.
Female, who was the woman heard interfering with the incident,
Y'all see how she
both
looks.
arrested that night. Reports indicate Mark has both eluded and been violent with police on multiple occasions. In an interview with Ruth, she stated that while her and Mark were driving prior to the
This nigga that crazy though, 23.
incident, they saw cops overseeing someone's car being towed on the side of the road. Mark thought the police were coming for them. According to Ruth, Mark wanted to, quote, crash the fucking car, and both of them were going to die along with their baby, as Ruth was pregnant at the time. She also said that Mark wanted to crash into the cops and wanted to kill at least 2 officers that night. He then proceeded to speed by officers at approximately 80 miles an hour in a 45-mile-per-hour zone at the scene of the car towing, and the events following unfolded. Mark was charged with 2 counts of first-degree attempted murder of a police officer, 2 counts of third-degree aggravated assault on a police officer, 2 counts of third-degree looting, 4 counts of fourth-degree criminal mischief, and 1 count of fourth-degree injuring a police K-9. Ruth was charged with 1 count of third-degree terroristic threats and 1 count of fourth-degree obstruction of justice for her actions during the incident. While no trial date has been set yet, both have been held without bond at the Burlington County Jail since the incident. While both the K-9 unit named Tango as well as multiple officers sustained injuries, none were life-threatening, and all have since fully recovered. Mark and Ruth are presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
This was the calm before the storm that they probably never saw coming. And it's amazing how us have a war on drugs that was occupied one finder, so not just this always scar.
That's the end of the video, bro. Hope y'all boys like the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, though, bro. Like the video, bro. Let's roll to 100K, bro. I feel like we can get there before the end of the year about it. The fire alarm went off when I said we can get there before the end of the year. So we gonna hit that 100K before the end of the year, bro. So make sure y'all boys like, comment, and subscribe, bro. Let's hit that 100K, bro. Let's hit it overnight, bro. Let's hit it this weekend, bro. Like, let's hit 100K subs out of nowhere. Like, let's get a community going, bro. Let's get a KT fam going. It's only right, bro. Then I'll hop on the Twitch, bro. We got our own community, bro. We do whatever we want in this motherfucker, man. Let's build something, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, let's do it. Make sure y'all go follow the Twitch. Go follow the Twitch, bro. Y'all go follow, go Twitch up, go sub up. Whatever they do on Twitch, go do it there. Feel me? We can start to figure out how to, and yeah, you know what I'm saying? But like, comment, subscribe. If you ain't get today, go get out. Yeah. Go get fly. I'm KT. You ain't finna get by. Do a drive-by with a bat. Cat in the hat. I finger the cat. Door. Boost got the map. I don't know. I'm just talking. All rap. Got your hoe. She's sitting on my lap. KT, cutthroat. You know where I'm at. Whole lot of dope right in the back. That's hard for me though. Like, that's hard for me. Like, that one bar, like, I wasn't even trying. I wasn't trying. Like, I was just trolling. But like, got a lot of dope right in the back. But in the back, like I had dope in the back. But like, I got a lot of dope up in this back though. Like, I'm a like I like a lot of strength. Like, dope can be. I don't know. I'm just trying to play with the words, trying to see how I can word play, how I make it make sense though. But like, feel me? Like, comment, subscribe, twin.